Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on disabling the screen reader settings on PS5. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you turned on the screen reader by mistake, it may be driving you crazy trying to turn it off. Here is how to do it. From the dashboard of PS5, move to the top, and then go to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, select Accessibility. In Accessibility Settings, select Screen Reader from the left side menu. Simply disable the settings called Enable Screen Reader, and your PS5 will stop talking to you. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PS5 tips and tricks.